Hello to all friends. Today we will see a simple After Effects tutorial but with an attractive and professional output. To make this beautiful output, we use the Trapcode Mir3 plugin and create a unique and professional background in a few minutes. I hope you watch this tutorial until the end and enjoy it. I am waiting to see your likes and comments. Thankful. Create a new composition and name it Main. Create a new solid layer and name it Mir3. Search for the Mir3 effect and click on double. Open the geometry section. Make the necessary changes in the settings as shown in the image. Open the repeater section. Make the necessary changes in the settings as shown in the image. Open the fractal section below. Make the necessary changes in the settings as shown in the image. Open the shader section. Make the necessary changes in the settings as shown in the image. Create a new light layer. Open the Spotlight 1 sublayer. Open under Light Options. Make the necessary changes to the item as shown in the image. Select the Mir3 layer. In the fractal part, the spiral value is 1.2 put. Create a new adjustment layer. Look for the curves effect and double-click on it. Make the necessary changes in the curve as shown in the image. Create a new solid layer and name it BG. Look for the gradient ramp effect and double-click on it. Make the necessary changes to the item as shown in the image. Now play the video and enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, to see other tutorials, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.